Hey you guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Now today's video is called Why Being a Bitch is Necessary. Now this is usually a video made geared towards women and women empowerment. A lot of times women in this society, in the culture, I know in America especially, because I know from experience that women are told to be nice, to be submissive a lot of times, to like basically play the second role the second role to men a lot. And like it's taught to such a degree that when women are young and when they get older, it carries on into adulthood, and it comes off like they can't protect themselves, or that they must submit to the will of men regardless of whatever they're doing. So if a man is hollering at you on the street, you're supposed to smile and be nice and shake your head, even though like you're kind of shying away. And men take that as like, women still want them or something. But it's because women are not taught to be assertive. And a lot of times this is why being a bitch can come into play. It's kind of like your protective mode. You do not have to smile at everybody just because fucking people say so. I know it sounds so feminist, so like, oh, you hate men. No, it's not even that. It's more so of protecting yourself. If men try other men, nobody's gonna take, they wouldn't take each other's shit. So why do women have to be the doormat to everyone else in society? Being a bitch is vital for survival, because even when women are put in situations where they may not want to have sex, but they feel pressure to, we cannot speak up and say no, even if we want to, out of fear of being raped, being hurt, being violently abused. But again, since women are taught like, be nice, you gotta take everybody's shit, fuck that. So be a bitch. and this is not, obviously, you know who you are. If your intent every day is to be a good person, be a good person. But I mean, there's certain circumstances where being a bitch is necessary. Being a bitch is what's going to save your life. Being a bitch is speaking up, is what's going to make you be respected even. If a girl who can't respect herself is a girl who you can't speak her mind, a girl who can't say no, who can't ask for what she wants, who can't say how she feels, can't demand service in business. Men don't get tried as much as women in business. For example, I have to be a bitch all the time in business. People always try to get over me, even though I offer legitimate services. I get tried more. So you have to understand where pulling that card out of being a bitch is necessary. But yeah, be a bitch today, and whatever that means to you. Yes, it could seem egoic and shit, but it's vital, I'm telling you. Yeah, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.